Hi, my name is Wandia. I'm a digital media aficionado, which means I love to geek out on all things digital. Today I want to talk about how to keep a Twitter audience. And I have 3 tips to share with you today. The first is be authentic. You want to define who you are and what you're about. Like here I say, I'm all about digital, mobile, and social media. Those are things that I'm passionate about. I also love connecting with people around the world who are pursuing their purpose passionately, changing the world, changing their world. And you can find out more about me here on my website at www.wandia.info or Facebook or LinkedIn. All those have kept consistent to who I am authentically. So I try to stay real. So when people connect with me on the different social networks, they know that it's authentically me. The second point is share quality content often. Whenever I see content, I try to post about once every hour. Try not to do it too much more than that because then you'll fill up people's tweet streams. But once every hour or every so often when you see cool content, share it on Twitter. The third thing is reach out to people who reach out to you. Here you can see Inspire Max, amazing, said that I was his top story for the day. And so I sent out a message saying, hey, I sincerely appreciate that. I also reached out to anyone who says, hey, who likes my content. I spend time reaching out and responding and engaging with those people. I hope those tips were helpful. If you need additional information, feel free to reach out to me at www.wandia.info.